Welcome to the FusionPBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up the Voxtelesys SIP Trunk in FusionPBX. To begin, hover over the Accounts tab and click on Gateways from the dropdown. Click on Add. From here, you can fill in the authentication information. Type in Voxtelesys as the gateway. The username, password, and from domain fields are all provided by Voxtelesys. The proxy field should contain the same information as the from domain field. One final thing to note is that Voxtelesys also supports IP authentication. However, we recommend to use a registration rather than IP authentication, as this is the easiest method to set up your SIP trunk. Click on Save when you're finished. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a SIP trunk in FusionPBX. Check back for more videos on FusionPBX as well as other helpful guides.